Hello dear student. So our question is, in each of the following questions, two statements are given, one in assertion A column while other in reason R column. Examine the statements carefully and mark the correct answer according to the instructions given below. Option A, if both A and R are right and R is right explanation of A. Option B, if both A and R are right but R is not right explanation of A. Option C, if A is right but R is wrong. Option D, if both A and R are wrong. Okay. And here basically assertion is compounds which form non-superimposable mirror image are optically active, but it should not have any symmetry. And the R statement is reason. This compound is optically active. Okay, this is the assertion reason question. And if we will talk about this assertion, right, compounds which form non-superimposable mirror images are optically active, but it should not have any symmetry, right? Students, suppose if we have two compounds like A and B, and these two compounds are mirror images to each other, right? These two compounds are mirror images to each other, and these are non-superimposable, right? And these are not contain any symmetric element like plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, and axis of symmetry. Then definitely these two compounds are optically active. These two compounds would be optically active. This is the two statement, right? And the reason is this compound is optically active. If we will talk about this compound, so you can see this is our compound here, CH3Br, and here two chlorine atoms are present. So if we will talk about this compound, basically student, here what happened, this bond are present into the horizontal line and this bond are present into the vertical plane. Okay, so basically what will be happen here, we have one is horizontal plane and the second will be a vertical plane. So we will pass a plane, हम एक imaginary plane यहाँ से पास करेंगे जो क्या करेगा, जो इस CH3 और Br को यहाँ से plane पास करेंगे, जो इस CH3 और Br को आधा आधा कट कर देगा. क्लियर? यहाँ पर ये CH3 और ये Br आधे आधे कट हो जाएंगे. ये एक हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन पास हो रहा होगा. ठीक है, अभी वर्टिकल प्लेन में तो ये यहां से पास होगा, जो इस कार्बन को आधा काटेगा, पाई बॉन्ड को आधा काटेगा, कार्बन को आधा काटेगा और यहां से प्लेन पास हो जाएगा. तो आप देखेंगे कि जब आपने प्लेन पास किया तो एक मिथाइल और ब्रोमाइन तो आधे आधे कट गए. फिर जैसे ही वर्टिकल प्लेन में प्लेन पास हुआ, इमेजिनरी प्लेन पास हुआ, तो यहां से कटा तो एक क्लोरीन अप साइड रह गया और ये वाला क्लोरीन नीचे की तरफ रह गया. So basically this compound is contain plane of symmetry. और अगर ये plane of symmetry contain करेगा तो ये compound कैसा होगा? This compound will be optically inactive compound, right? So A तो true है, but the reason is the false, right? So A is right, but R is wrong. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you.